Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making afang soup. Now this is not my first afang video on this channel. I have a recipe that I'm going to link that you can check because there's a slight difference between that one and this one. If this is your first time on the channel, please subscribe if you like food content. Now let's move on to the recipe. These are the things we're going to use for our afang soup. This is palm oil, this is wood ear mushroom, also called black fungus. In my place we call this opalantuntum. What do you call it in your place? Please leave a comment in the comment section enlightening us on what you call this. We're going to use stockfish too, some yellow pepper, onion, crayfish, some meat. I'm using goat meat, some cow skin, and this is our afang. This is the afang. They grind it in the market for me. You can buy the cut one already and pound it at home or grind it by yourself, but it just makes it easier for me when they grind it in the market. And we're going to use our water leaf too. I'm going to use 2 of this. I'm not putting it there because it's quite sandy. I don't want sand to enter any of these things, so I'm just going to go ahead and wash the water leaves. Now for the crayfish. This crayfish is, as I said, it is a little bit sandy, so I'm going to soak this in water for a while. The sand will settle down, then I take it out and I'll mix it with the pepper and the onions and pound. So I'm going to put the meat on fire. I'm going to put this. So I'm going to go ahead. This is just the meat, the water from the meat. I'm going to add some more water so that these things will cook properly. So while the meat is on fire, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my water leaves. Now for the water leaves, the aim here is to get out this top, and cut this off. And any flowers, like this one has a flower, you get out the flowers, you cut and discard of it. That's how I'm going to prepare it. Then wash it thoroughly. These are the stalks, so I'm just going to go ahead and wash this. I'm going to wash it 4 times just to make sure there's no sand. I'm going to do it so that there'll be no sand in it at all.
You can use a chopping board, but I'm not using my hand to cut.
My pomo is ready, but the meat isn't ready. So I'm going to take out the pomo and set aside and just cover it, let the meat continue cooking. Start to put in my pepper mix, the pounded or blended pepper mix. At this point, I'm going to put it in a little more water. So I've put in my mushrooms. They don't take long to cook. That's why I'm putting them in now. The kids really love them. Do you like this mushrooms? Or have you had them before? Let us know in the comment section. So I'm putting my pomo back inside because I'm about to mix everything. So I'm putting the water leaves in now. Woo! It's almost filling the pot. I'm going to do this. So it's now put in your seasoning, correct seasoning, because when we put in the afang, we're not going to allow it cook for long. We want our afang green and fresh. Okay. So I'm putting my seasoning cube now, just to correct it, taste it, make sure the seasoning is okay, the salt is okay too. If I wasn't sure of my palm oil, I would have put it earlier than now. I'm going to link that recipe so that you can follow it. But my palm oil is authentic village palm oil. Very nice aroma, very good quality palm oil. So I'm going to put this in when I put in my afang. Let me just take out some of these bones. Now my afang was ground with some crayfish. So I'm going to put this now. I'm going to let this cook for 3 minutes, then keep it down. Our soup is ready.